In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Cloudflare service. If you need to take Cloudflare out of the path temporarily, maybe for troubleshooting, maintenance, or to see how your site behaves without caching and security layers, there's a straightforward way to do it from your dashboard. First, open your Cloudflare account. Sign in the way you normally would so you land on the main dashboard. You'll see a list of the domains you manage. Everything we're about to do happens inside the dashboard and applies only to the domain you choose, so you stay in full control. Next, click on the specific domain you want to manage. This takes you to the overview page for that domain, where Cloudflare shows key settings and quick actions. Think of this page as your control center for that site. On the right side of the overview page, look for the section labeled Advanced Actions. This is where Cloudflare places powerful domain-level switches. In most setups, you'll see an option called Pause Cloudflare. Selecting this pauses Cloudflare's proxy and security features for the domain, routing traffic directly to your origin server. You may be asked to confirm before the change applies. Once paused, requests bypass Cloudflare's caching, WAF, and performance features, which is perfect for isolating issues or applying origin-side fixes without the layer of acceleration and security in between. Now, in some cases, you might not see the Pause Cloudflare option. That can happen with a temporary setup or while a domain isn't fully activated in Cloudflare. If your domain is still in a provisional state, or if it hasn't finished onboarding, certain advanced controls remain hidden until the configuration is complete. It can also be affected by permissions, if you're using a shared account, or by the current status of your plan. If that's your situation, don't worry. Once the domain is fully recognized and active, the Advanced Actions menu typically shows the pause control. A couple of practical tips as you proceed. After pausing, give it a few minutes for changes to propagate. Test your site directly to confirm it's reaching the origin as expected. Remember that with Cloudflare paused, your origin IP is exposed to the public internet, so make sure your server's firewall and rate limiting are ready to handle direct traffic. Pausing doesn't delete DNS records or change name servers. It simply stops the proxy from accelerating and protecting requests. And when you're finished, you can come back to the same area to restore normal Cloudflare service. That's it. Quick, clear, and controlled. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your Cloudflare setup with confidence.